Hello Guchies team, and welcome back to my channel. If you're just stopping by, you are very welcome. Join us and enjoy everything we are doing in this kitchen. I bring you another motivational video which I know a lot of people know me for since the inception of my channel. Okay, so here you're going to learn a lot of cooking skills. You're going to learn how to be intentional with your cooking. You're going to learn the tips and tricks on how to cook certain food, and especially our traditional meals you know and meals you haven't heard of before. So today is one of those days. If you are interested and you want to know how to cook for your family gathering and all of that, stay here. You're going to learn a lot. Let's get right into the video. Let's just say we are cooking for about 100 and something persons, maybe 120. Yes. So these are my protein going on. I'm going to be adding this fish to my vegetable soup pot. Yes, I am doing the frying method, guys. These are all my asa fishes and all my catfishes. I like to mix them. Okay, I hope that English is correct. If it's not, take the correct one yourself. Guchies is very busy in this kitchen today, and guys, when I'm running, I am running. Yes, so this is how the face of this soup is looking already. Guys, it's a good thing to multitask. If you know how to do multitask, honestly, you are going to achieve a lot in a minute. Guys, this took me like 2 weeks to get ready for all of this preparation, and in less than few hours I am putting all this food together for us to be able to enjoy. Isn't that amazing? The kind of strength that I get anytime I have to do this cooking, I cannot even explain where it comes from. My husband will sometimes ask me, how do you do this? I don't even know how you do this, guys. It is not me, it is just the grace of God. Here I am going to add afan to this vegetable soup. It is almost ready, but I decided to add some okazi to this vegetable soup. Well, it's not really afan soup. It's a vegetable soup that you can eat with rice. You can also eat with fufu, but I decided to add okazi. So this is not afan soup. I'm going to stir everything. The protein for this is dried fish, which is smoked fish. Yeah, I'm using asa fish, I'm using catfish, okay, and I'm using stockfish, which has gone in already. I've already added crayfish from the base of the oil. As you can see, I've added some little pepper just to give it a little hotness. Okay, so I've gone in with enough crayfish, trust me guys, because in this kitchen I am running, so I'm just putting things together so I can go. I have to make a voiceover because calls were coming in. Let me not forget to let you know I added kanda, which is pomo. All right, I have to just do a voiceover. A lot of distractions if I didn't do voiceover on this video. So this is a vegetable soup. It came out very nicely, came out very yummy-licious, very delicious, guys. Oh my goodness, you need to have a taste of this vegetable soup. And here is my stew. We are going to be making jollof rice. I'm making two soups, so I proceeded in making my ogbono soup, which has okra in it, as you can see. Oh my goodness, every meal here was top notch, top notch, top notch. So here our jollof rice is ready, as you can see. Oh my goodness, this jollof rice was amazing. It was super delicious, guys. Please do me well to share this video and give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join this family. You will love it. Do you like to cook for a large quantity of persons? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So I'm going to mix this jollof rice together, and then I will just pour them in the tray and set it aside so I can proceed to making other recipes. In this very video, we are making fried rice also. So I just want to get through with my jollof rice. The okra soup is ready. My jollof rice, I've already put it in the pan. Here I am making my pepper gizzard. Guys, the pepper gizzard is wonderful, delicious. But you know what? I am holding my camera one hand, I am stirring my pepper gizzard one hand, and everything was just pushing me here and there. As you can see, I'll push the pepper gizzard this side, the pepper gizzard will push me this side. We kept pushing each other. All I want to do is to mix this very well. As you can see, it's looking gang. So guys, I will set this aside and I will be making my sauce to garnish my chicken, because I like to garnish my chicken. So here goes our sauce for garnishing. Look at how delicious. It's going to have a lot of onion. Look at my peppered gizzard. After I have put it in the tray to cool down, now I proceeded to making my fried rice. Guys, it was an incredible day, but the joy of it all is that every meal here came out fantabulous. Guys, look at that fried rice. Yes, I am doing the frying method here. I am frying my protein that will be going into the fried rice, which is liver. Okay, that's what we call it in Nigeria. And look at this fried rice, guys. Can your fried rice ever? Everything was just coming out, boom, 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 boom. Guys, I didn't want to mess up the day, because today is a very beautiful day. My husband and I, plus another family in Savannah, we are hosting our community here, where we usually come together every month. So this is my fufu, and yeah, I kept going like that just to make sure everything comes out perfect. And trust me, everything came out very good. So the hosting for May was myself and my sister in America that hosted for the month of May. And yeah, we did our best. These were all the meals, plus so many other things, guys. It was so fun. I didn't show you guys the pepper soup. Actually, it was an incredible pepper soup with goat meat, assorted, and all of those good stuffs. Because I was running, I could not show you everything. Plantain and so on. Thank you all for watching. God bless you. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves.